Culture is a really important aspect of both teaching and learning in English language teaching for a number of reasons. If you're working with students in a multinational class, you will have students coming to you from different cultures. Students are curious about each other's lives, but also may or may not understand each other's culturally codified behaviours. So working with cultural dimensions can help to lead to greater understanding and to greater empathy. If, like most teachers in the world, you're working in a monolingual classroom, is therefore culture just as important? Yes, it is. And the reason for that is that many learners of English in monolingual contexts are doing so because they either aim to travel as tourists, or to study, or to work, either in English language speaking countries, or statistically more probably, they're using English as a contact language so that they can communicate in business or in academia with other speakers of English as a second language. There again, in those contexts, they will experience people from different backgrounds and different cultures. And the more that we look at culture, both as a topic, but also as a theme of our English language teaching lessons, the better equipped our students are for success. Absolutely yes. There is a whole lot more to culture in EFL than talking about traditions. Traditions, of course, are really important. They're one of the visible manifestations of a culture. But it is also the case that there is so much more that we can be doing to enrich the experience, to create tolerance and understanding for our students, many of whom fit into that kind of concept of the 21st century learner. The learner who needs English for travel, for work, and for academia, for study. And by giving them not just these traditions, but equipping them as global citizens, we're providing them with key skills to enable them to be more effective global citizens in the future.